Hello everyone. Did you know that learning how to pronounce the Arabic alphabet correctly leads you to read perfectly? In today's video, let's learn how to pronounce the second Arabic alphabet, which is Ba. The name of the letter is called Ba. It's written as Ba. It's pronounced as Be, Be, Be. The initial form of Be, as you can see, for example, in Bait, bait, a house, bait. The medial form, as you can see in the red color, as in the example, يبني, يبني. He builds, يبني. The final form of be, as in أرنب, أرنب, rabbit, أرنب. While the isolated form of be is written, as you can see in the pink color, as in Bob, Bob, a door, Bob. So the name of the letter is Ba. It's written as Ba and it's pronounced as Be, Be. It takes three shapes as in the initial form, for example, Bait, Bait. The medial form as in Yebni, Yebni, he builds. The final form as in Arnab, Arnab, rabbit. While the isolated form for Ba is Bob, Bob. If you like this video, I suggest you go watch the other videos on the Arabic letter pronunciations. Till next time, see you.